To add item and sales transaction, click the point of sale button or press F7, scan the item or product, in sales transaction, there are cases that the item to be entered is not yet encoded or cannot be found in the item list. To add item without closing the transaction, press F4 to direct the price list window. For the barcoded item, scan the item. Enter the description, the packing, the quantity, and the price. Press Enter to save. Click the Exit button or press X to proceed with the transaction. And for the item without barcode, press F4 again to add item. Press F4 for autocode. Enter the description, the packing, the quantity, and the price. Press Enter to save. Click the Exit button to proceed with the transaction. Click the Exit button or press X for payment entry.